Imagine a new way to travel, one that is sustainable, stylish, and remarkably compact. Meet the futuristic electric camper Tricycle, a revolutionary vehicle that redefines urban exploration and micro-camping. Designed for the modern adventurer who values both eco-friendly transport and smart living solutions, this tricycle is more than just a mode of transport. It's a portable retreat on 3 wheels. The first thing you'll notice is its striking, aerodynamic design. The camper module is shaped like a sleek, white capsule with smooth, flowing lines that give it a futuristic, almost spacecraft-like aesthetic. The high-gloss finish reflects its surroundings with elegant subtlety, while large wraparound windows create a sense of openness and connection to the world outside. It's not just about looking good. This streamlined form reduces wind resistance, making it efficient even at moderate speeds. At the front, the tricycle component is equally impressive. The matte finish frame is robust yet refined, built to handle the additional weight of the camper module without sacrificing maneuverability. A single large front wheel, connected by a solid fork, offers precise steering. Meanwhile, 2 rear wheels integrated seamlessly into the camper body provide stability and balance, even when fully loaded or turning at tighter angles. Powering this modern marvel is an electric assist motor that takes the strain out of pedaling. Whether you're commuting through busy urban streets or venturing onto gentle countryside paths, the motor offers variable levels of assistance to match your needs. Charging the battery is as easy as plugging it into a standard outlet, making it highly practical for city dwellers or travelers who want to go off-grid without hassle. But it's when you step inside the camper that the real magic happens. The door swings open to reveal an unexpectedly spacious and meticulously designed interior. Rounded seating wraps along the sides in a lounge-style arrangement, comfortably accommodating 2 to 4 passengers. Cushioned in durable yet plush materials, these seats invite you to relax, chat, or share a meal around a central table. The interior design emphasizes both minimalism and warmth. Soft, integrated LED lighting lines the ceiling in a continuous arc, casting a gentle, even glow that creates a cozy atmosphere after dark. The walls are finished in smooth, easy-to-clean materials that stay bright and inviting, while clever built-in storage compartments keep belongings organized and out of sight. Under-seat storage bins and hidden wall cubbies maximize the limited space without clutter. Large panoramic windows are more than just design flourishes, they connect you to your environment, making even a small space feel expansive. Whether parked at a scenic overlook, by a quiet city park, or in your own driveway, you're always invited to take in the view. Optional features include tinted glass for privacy, retractable shades, and even small solar panels on the roof to charge devices or power interior lighting completely off-grid. Comfort was clearly a priority in this design. The insulated walls help regulate temperature in various weather conditions, while ventilation panels ensure fresh air circulation. A simple, modular interior layout makes it easy to convert from a lounge into a sleeping area if desired, perfect for quick overnights or festival camping. This electric camper tricycle isn't just a product, it's a statement about the future of travel. It's about reducing our carbon footprint while embracing freedom and flexibility. It's for those who want to explore cities without worrying about parking,